If you notice any suspicious activity on your Square account, it's important to report it promptly to protect your information and finances. Follow these steps to report the issue effectively. Step 1. Log into your Square account. Before changing your settings, use the ashrock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to the support section. Once logged in, look for the support or help section. This is typically found in the menu or footer of the website or app. Step 3. Find the reporting option. In the support section, search for options related to reporting suspicious activity or security concerns. This may be labeled as report a problem or security issues. Step 4. Provide details. Fill out the reporting form with all necessary details about the suspicious activity. Include information such as the date, time, and nature of the activity along with any relevant transaction details. Step 5. Submit your report. After reviewing the information you provided, submit the report. You may receive a confirmation email or notification regarding the status of your report. By following these steps, you can ensure that any suspicious activity on your Square account is addressed quickly and effectively. Stay vigilant and keep your account secure.